Dongguan Golden Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited is specialized in developing, designing, manufacturing, installation, also after-sales service. Our main products are water chiller, heat pump, fan coil unit, air handling unit, purified air conditioner. Our company with our own brand, High Golden, and got the national patent certificate. High Golden Company also spend efforts in developing new products every year. High Golden has introduced a series of advanced processing equipment, shearing machines, bending machine, pipe bending machine, current voltage performance tester, and other equipment to ensure the quality and operation. Both the units are tested and commissioned before it leaves the factory. Each unit with the remote monitoring function, computer, mobile phone, and mobile phone operation function. High Golden takes full advantage of perfect overseas sales network. Our products are exported to many countries all over the world: Dubai, Bahrain, Netherlands, Bulgaria, Thailand, Vietnam, Hong Kong, and dozens of countries and regions. High Golden has our own after-sales service team for installation, with full experience in installation service. We could provide video guidance, also guidance on overseas installation on-site. After receiving after-sale feedback from customers, High Golden could provide the solution and scheme within 2 hours, which helps the customers to save time and cost.